Hey everybody, there's where my mouse is. We're going to make a box. Over here is the create panel. You need to have this one selected, and we're going to find box. So you select it, and then any old place, left mouse, click and drag, and it makes the base of the box. I'm just holding down my left mouse. I let go, and now when I move, it will set the height. I click anywhere to set the height. And then I'm going to click here on the modify panel. This box is selected, it has a blue outline. And where it says parameters, right now where it says length, width, height, now I can enter in my numbers. So I can select that and I'll just type in a new number and push enter, and the model updates to that. And just work your way down. You can also push tab to jump to the next field. And if you make a mistake and want to go backwards, push shift tab to go back to the other one. And that is how you make a box.